Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to contact Facebook Business Support. First, you have to open your business account, go to your Ads Manager, and then here you will see this question mark or this help icon right here. If you tap this, and then you can now see this help below. You can see the search box and you can enter or ask any of your concerns about your business settings, or there is a feature here that you can't access. So if you tap enter, you can see here articles and instruction on how to simply answer or solve that problem. But you cannot see any contact support right here or chat support, even if you scroll down. So if you go to this part below, if you go back, you will see this report a problem. So if you tap this one, a small box will pop up, and here you can address your concern specifically. So there is a specific topic or category here. All you have to do is scroll down, look for any topic here and that is related to your problem. And then after that, you can enter and you can tell them your concern. So everything is up to you. For example, please help me. I can access this feature or option. And the good thing about this is that you can add a picture image that serves as a proof that this feature or this settings is not functioning properly. And then after that, you will see this thanks. They will just inform you that they have received your concern. But actually, even if you go to this find answers or contact support, you cannot see talk an agent or contact a customer agent right here because this feature is not available now. In my country, it's not available, and this feature was just available before. So you cannot see that feature right now, or I don't know, maybe if it's possible in your country, but in my country it's not, or it depends on the region or location. But at the very moment, you can only submit or you can only contact support service team through this way. You can go to help, you can go to report a problem, but you cannot see a feature here that you can talk directly to their agents. So basically, that's how to contact Facebook Business Support. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.